Hi, everyone. This is Ron Crider. I'm your acting president of the Victoria Board for 2020, only for 2020, not next year. I have some things on this video I want to bring to your attention. First, the board meeting is scheduled for Wednesday, October the 7th at 1 p.m. It will be a Zoom meeting. It's very important. A couple of other things have been brought to my attention, and we just need to address these things as quickly as possible. I'm going to try to work them into the agenda this time, at least to bring them up and start discussing them. But John, our maintenance manager, brought these to my attention again, as it's been done many times before, and now we need to do something. First, it says, put a plan in place to replace all the fire system piping, which is seriously deteriorating and in danger of causing major problems. Okay, now I'm going to show you some pipes. We have some very good pipes here, as you can see. These are some good pipes. They must have been installed fairly recently. I don't recall when it was done, but I would imagine it hasn't been too long ago because they look like they're practically brand new. Good-looking pipes, good-looking connections. I know nothing about plumbing. Believe me, I'm not going to try to suggest to you that I'm any kind of a plumbing or pipe expert, but I can tell you this. As we proceed here a little bit further, you're going to start noticing some bad pipes. There you go. Now take a look at these sprinkler system pipes. These pipes are in really bad shape. John told me this morning that every time the fire marshal comes around here and investigates the building and checks out the building, he says this is an accident waiting to happen. I said, John, can you get him to put it in writing? He says, oh, he's put it in writing many times over the past number of years. He says, I've been here for 3 years, and he tells me this every time. I would like to get it in writing from him, but I don't think we need it in writing because we can definitely see the kind of problems we have going on here. So if you see these pipes, you'll see that there's just big trouble down there. And we're also now talking about having an assessment for a considerable amount of money to do some landscaping. And it seems to me, I'm just speaking only for myself at the moment, but I think this is something that certainly does need to be addressed at the same time before we start allocating funds to do things. We ought to give some consideration to this because this has been, we've been put on notice now that these pipes are in big trouble. I'm going to continue to show you the pipes as I read a couple of other things John put on here. Repair of the 5670 and 5690 doors and planters, which have been leaking into the garage since I started here at Victoria 3 years ago. And this is a really big problem, and those do need to be replaced and need to be addressed, hopefully, at this board meeting. And in addition to that, replace all the rotting wood under the gutters around the whole building, which has started to spread and may be causing other damage. Also, while working on that, there is gutter work that should be done at the same time. And these issues have been going on for 3 years since I started here. Now, this is from John. We've been put on notice and we need to do something about it. So I'm bringing it to your attention in advance so it doesn't come as a surprise at the board meeting when I bring it up, and hopefully the Physical Plant Committee will address these issues as well. So just a reminder that we have the board meeting tomorrow. It's Wednesday at 1 p.m. and I hope that you can attend. And if you can't attend, hopefully we will be able to have a video available. AR Choice is the one who is providing the video services, and hopefully they'll be able to provide me with the video and I can post it on the website for you. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this, and let's try to pull together and make this thing work really well. Have a great day.